Hey girl queen pussy boss, let's play this game called hide and seek. Except I hide and you seek professional help.
So actually what they don't tell you about these creatures is that they're quite gentle in nature. Is that they're quite gentle and loving to their youth, to their kin. Oh, this one's we call him Timmy. We call him Tiny.
Who wants a fajita?
Run it straight, let's go. No, you think you can get past me? Let's go, come on. I just prefer watching the guys play, you know? Get off! Seriously, bro, get off! Get off! Seriously. Oh, he's got such good ball control. It's pretty strong, pretty powerful. Do you guys remember what Hopawati did? That was messed up, eh? Serious. Get off! Get off! Serious, get off. Get off.
Who's your celebrity doppelganger?
I've never been told I have one.
Really?
No.
You don't think you look like any celebrity?
No.
Hi, Andy. Who does
Excuse me, what song are you listening to?
Oh, sorry?
Sorry, what song are you listening to?
Oh, Dance With Me by Cheetah Girls.
Okay.
Okay, look what I just posted. Brunch with these two dum-dums.
Oh my gosh, so good. Is this good? I said Sunday fun day with these idiots.
Yeah, that's good. That's great. So cute.
Okay, so cute. Look what I just posted. Eating crap with these sacks of shit. If they died tomorrow, no one would shed a tear. So cute.
Wait, what the hell?
Look, you called me a dum-dum and she called me an idiot, so.
Yeah, when you post a pic of yourself where you look really cute, then you have to say something a little self-deprecating so it doesn't look like you're just bragging.
Oh, okay. Got it. Sorry.
Yeah.
All right, this is good. Okay. Slapping down some pig shit with these fat fucks, and I'm the fattest of them all. If I died tomorrow, no one would shed a tear. Load my freaking lard carcass into the mud. No coffin, please. Just wet, wet mud. Bay.
He's a tree, but he has massive big dick energy.
Yeah. Oh. Absolutely.
What is he then?
He's like
a 10.
An 8.5. He's a 10, but he wears skinny white ripped jeans.
No, he's a -2. He's not even on the scale. He's an 8, but doesn't drive. 2.
I'd say like 4.
He's a 10, but his entire Instagram following is porn stars.
2, like.
Oh,
or
like
a
2.5 maybe.
He's a 10, but he only takes selfies.
Oh God, 0, 0, 0, 0. No, I'll say 3 because I take a selfie. He's a 12, but he drinks a glass of milk with his dinner. No, literally die.
-1.
He's an 8, but he hates women. What? I would say 10. I have such a good
He's
one.
a 9, but he gets his mom to clean his room for him.
Oh my God, no. 1, 0. He's a 3. No. He's a 4. But he opens the car door for you. Oh, he's a 10. I love him. I love him. He's a literal 20 out of 10 love of your life. Okay. He's a personal trainer. Oh, 5. For sure. 5. With other women. Only trains girls.
Oh.
2. He's a 10, but he only drinks coffee from Circle K. What? The fuck? No.
What's fucking wrong with him?
He's a 2, but he's extremely intelligent when it comes to his emotions and able to articulate his feelings. 12, for sure. 8. Again, he's a 10, but he has a Disney tattoo across his chest. No, immediately. He's like a good 7 with a really nice body, but he goes topless around Dublin. Ew. Like
Around Dublin?
4.
Oh, yeah, -2.
Yes, well, it's obviously clear from his writings that he had a deep affection for Bartholomew, but due to the way that male relationships were in the past, it's impossible to say whether he was actually gay or not. There's simply no way to know. Dear Diary, today was so wonderful. Me and Bartholomew had breakfast together, and then we went for a walk in the woods, and then I let him split me open like a coconut.
Y'all ever wonder how different Harry Potter would be if his scar was on his penis?
Oh, Hermione, who is that?
Years, but they're only open 15 days a year. Lucky for you, they just started shipping.
Wow, that looks like shit.
Get your fucking ass up and have sex with me.
No.
Show us your scar and tell the crazy story on how you got it.
Chopped my tits off.
I just covered my entire toilet in chia seeds. I will be watering it daily over the next week.
Not only am I concerned for your mental health, but your toilet now looks like an Among Us character. So I hope you're glad.
These things are single-handedly the biggest threat to our oceans and our wildlife since the plastic bottle. And they take 450 years to break down. And when they're not disposed of properly, they end up in our oceans. So please, dispose properly.
What would you do if I was your mailman and I rang your doorbell, and when you came outside, we made eye contact, and then I asked you slowly?
Honey, I love you. I think you're a terrific girl, but you have clothes like a fucking dickhead.
Can you film this for me? Just hold it. I'm already filming.
Okay.
Okay. So I wanted to confess to you first.
Me?
Yes. I'm looking at you.
Okay.
I did find a little bit of poop in the bed,
No, you didn't.
and I don't know.
I'm not
whose
recording.
it is.
It's yours,
Well,
idiot.
no, I don't know.
Come on, Gimli. We are gaining on them. No food, no rest, but one bear cunt.
Okay, this is my impression of someone who for the very first time narrowly misses getting hit by a car in NYC. Whoa. I'm walking here.
Yeah, well, you take care. Say hi to the husband for me. Okay? Bye.
Don't you ever embarrass Mummy like that ever again. You put that back now. Put it back. I said you could get 1, not 2.
Oh, you finna go to work. I just know by your posture, you finna go to work.
So the first thing I do when I finish a book is I go to Goodreads to update it, because it adds towards your yearly goal and you can rate it.
Are you a virgin?
Happy Pride Month! Trans people are the sun and the moon! Lesbians are the sky! Non-binary folk are the wind! Asexuals are the mountains! Gay men are fireworks! And bisexuals, well, they're weird little raccoons that need shiny things and wine, but hey, we love them all the same.
Hey, I'm so sorry. Can you hold him for like 1 minute? What? You think he's ugly? You don't even... Okay, never mind. Jesus.
Here are a couple more facts about me. One of my biggest dreams is to smoke a cigarette in a hospital. About 2 weeks ago, I took a Viagra to watch Interstellar. I have no evidence to back this up, but I'm pretty confident I could cook the perfect souffle. Until high school, I thought that Scotland, Ireland, and Cleveland were a trio. I try not to, but sometimes I lick the sponge that I use to clean dishes because I need to.
It's so cute. Are you shitting me? Capitalism really popped off today, ladies.
I don't know. But yes, this is what I do. I just kind of, it was like a joke, you know? All right, have a good one. Okay.
Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high.
Normalize running.
We have to want more for ourselves. Okay? We have to want more.
Jimmy Fallon, what the hell are you doing to my girls? Leave them the fuck alone. The things you make them talk about, the trivialities. You're gonna have Rosalia show up in your fucking show. The first show in America she's ever done. And we're gonna talk about how she has to change her number all the time, and one time Harry Styles texted the wrong number. She couldn't pick up the goddamn phone. You're talking to a genre creator, babe. Why don't you ask her what it's like to mix the old world with the new world? She is a titan and a modern princessa. Now.
Another girl boss day of starting to get ready 5 minutes before I'm supposed to leave and wondering why I am late, flustered, and in a bad mood.
Put your finger down, fat ass edition. Put your finger down if your ass is fat.
Be honest with me, if I wear my emotional health t-shirt and my radical acceptance hat at the same time, will everyone know immediately that I cry once a week or no?
Normalize taking your friends to the sea when they're sick. Help them get their strength up. Sometimes the OG methods are the real methods.